One of my favorite dishes I make is barbecue shrimp pasta on a pizza bowl. This is inspired by Cheesecake Bistro in Louisiana. So good. You're going to start by seasoning your shrimp. Cook them. Don't cook them all the way because it's going to cook a little bit more in the sauce. Get a nice little color on them and make sure you take it out the pot. Keep that seasoning in the pot. We're going to need it for later. Salt your pasta water. Bring it to a bowl. Then you're going to drop your pasta in there. Let it cook. You know how that goes. That's real easy. I got that Publix pizza dough. Get a little flour surface. I rolled it out. I cut them in half and rolled them out so I can make small. But you can do it as a whole pizza. You know, stretch it out. Do your little thing. I like to throw on some onion and garlic powder for a little seasoning. Throw some cheese on there and bake that to the instructions. It's real easy if you buy pre-made pizza dough. To make it real easy, I buy the Louisiana barbecue shrimp sauce packet. I pretty much cook it to package instruction. I only did 1 stick of butter though because that's a lot. You know, do the little Worcestershire sauce. I add a little chicken stock in there. And you know, add the seasoning packet in there. Mix it up. Let all them wonderful spices and flavors bloom. And then you throw in some heavy cream in there. Real good. You know you got to let that mix in and let it reduce. And then it's going to end up looking like this. Turn that heat down. Grate you some Parmesan cheese in there. Throw in your shrimp and let that cook down. You don't need no extra seasoning. That barbecue sauce has so much flavor in there. Throw your pasta in there and let it soak up all that sauce. It's just so good, y'all. I promise. And then you take them little pizza bowls out. I added a little extra parm on top. And then you pile up that pasta, y'all. This has so much flavor. I promise. Just season your shrimp. You don't need no more seasoning. That sauce packet has everything. This is my brother's favorite dish I make. As you can see, he loves it with that Rick Ross face.